Hello grade 11, are you ready for our next lesson for today? Our topic for today is about solving rational functions. To solve rational equations, these are the steps. First, find the LCD. Second, multiply both sides by the LCD. And third, check the solutions. Let's have this first example. Solve for x. 2 over x minus 3 over 2x is equal to 1 over 5. As you can see, we have value in this part and we have also value on this part. And they are separated by equal sign. So, dapat kapag chinek natin yung sagot natin, equal tong both sides na to. So now, let's solve for the value of x. First step, we have to look for the LCD. Here we have the denominator x, 2x, and 5. For us to get the LCD, let's look or multiply the number here, which are 2 and 5. So 2 times 5 is 10, and then let's copy the common variable, which is x. So our LCD here is 10x. As you can see, we just copied the example, and we have 10x here and 10x here. So let's multiply both sides by 10x. So the answer is this one. So where did we get 20? So itong 20 galing dito sa first fraction. Okay? First rational expression. So how did we get 20? We just distribute 10x here. What is 10x times 2? It is 20x. And 20x divided by x is 20. Okay? And 15, negative 15. Again, we just multiplied 10x to this rational expression. So, positive times negative, it's equal to negative. And 10x times 3, it's 30x. And 30x divided by 2x, it's 15. Okay? Is equal to, next side again, (1 over 5 times 10x). So 1 times 10x, it's 10x. Over 5, it's 2x. Because 10 divided by 5, it's 2. Then x. So we have constant here, 20 and negative 15. Let's simplify. 20 minus 15 is 5, right? And pinagpalit lang natin sila. Ito, napunta dito. And then, the difference here, napunta lang dito. Okay? So, we have now 2x is equal to 5. And we just need x. So, what are we going to do with the 2 here? With the coefficient 2. So, we will multiply or divide to both sides. So, x now is equal to 5 over 2. Now, let's check if 5 over 2 is the correct answer. So, using this given equation, let's substitute 5 over 2. So, here, we just copied this and ito na yung magiging sagot. 2 over 5 over 2. Okay? Again, ito yung nakuha nating sagot. We just replace the value of x. And ito rin 3 galing dito. 2. And then, we just replace the value of x. Is equal to 1 over 5. So, is this whole rational expressions equal to 1 over 5? So, we have here 4 over 5 minus 3 over 5. So what is 4 minus 3? It is equal to 1. Then copy the common denominator, which is 5. So that is equal to 1/5. So our answer is correct. Next example. Again, solve for x. And our given function is, equation is x plus 3 is equal all over x minus 1 equals 4 over x minus 1. Okay, so our LCD here is x minus 1. Okay, our denominator is the same. Okay, so again, we just multiplied both sides by our LCD, which is x minus 1. So ito, pag mayroong ganyan, maka-cancel lang kasi parehas, because that they are always equal to 1. X minus 1 divided by x minus 1, that is equal to 1. So kapag kahit anong number na i-multiply mo sa 1, ang sagot yung number pa din. So anything, kung 1 ito times x plus 3, x plus 3 pa rin ang sagot. And here, this is equal to 1 as well, so the answer is 4. So our next equation here is x plus 3 equals 4. So kailangan dito sa side na to, x lang matitira. And then equal sign, lahat ng constant dito sa side na to. Okay? So mag-i-stay yung x equals 4, 3 transpose, so it will become negative 3. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So the value of x now is equal to 1. Let's check if our answer is correct using this original equation. So here it is equal to 1 plus 3, and then sinubstitute lang natin. Okay? Substitute. So our answer is correct. Third example, solve for x. Our given equation is x over x plus 2 minus 1 over x minus 2 is equal to 8 over x squared minus 4. So what is our LCD here? So if we're going to expand this will be the factors. Okay? So our LCD here is x plus 2 times the quantity x minus 2. Okay? So let's have first the first rational expression, which is x over x plus 2. So ito, kapag tinimes natin dito, maka-cancel out na to. Okay? Ang matitira, ito na lang. X minus 2 times x. Okay? Minus, ito namang second rational expression. Kapag tinimes natin siya dito sa dalawa, maka-cancel out naman ito. Itong minus 2, minus 2. Or x minus 2, x minus 2, kasi pareho sila. Because if we're going to divide them, they are equal to 1. Okay? And here, since if we're going to factor this out, the answer will be the same as our LCD. So the answer is 1. Okay? So 8 times 1 is equal to 8. Okay? And our new equation will be x times the quantity x minus 2 minus x plus 2 equals 8. So let's remove the parentheses. So let's distribute x here. X times x is x squared minus 2x. Ito, galing doon. And then just distribute negative here. So we have negative x, and then negative times positive, it's negative 2. So how about negative 8 here? So we just transposed positive 8 here. So from positive, it became negative 8. Then equals 0. Let's combine like terms. Okay? negative or x square minus negative 3x. Saan galing yan? Dito, negative 2x minus x. Okay? And then let's combine like terms which are the constant, negative 2 and negative 8. Negative 2 minus 8 is equal to negative 10 equals 0. So let's factor this out. X squared minus 3x minus 10 equals 0. So if we're going to factor this out, the answer will be x minus 5 times the quantity x plus 2 equals 0. Now, how can we get the value of x here? So ito, tsaka yan, paghiwalayin natin. Okay? So we will have x minus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. Magiging ganito. Okay? So we can transpose now the constants. Ito, ilipat natin doon. Tapos ito, ilipat natin doon. So, magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang value ng x. So here in our first equation, x is equal to positive 5. And sa second equation natin, x is equal to negative 2. Okay? Now, using your pencil or pen and paper, you can check if our answers are correct. So that's it, grade 11. I hope you have learned on this lesson. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye!